Welcome to the Anti-Blood Rain USSR company, and today we are going to see how these four titans are made and what their minion lifespan is and stuff. Make sure to survive with food and water while you learn about this education about their lifespan and stuff. First up is the Blood God. The Blood God is known for his big size, taller than a building, and its wings, and taller and wider than a football stadium. The Blood God age is 666 years old, and his lifespan is 4,000 to 120,000 years. The Blood God was founded in 1775 by a time traveler, and it used to have eyes on its wings and looks creepy more than back then in 2011. The Blood God's minions are called Blooders, and here's the Blooders info. The Blooders is a 10 feet tall red-skinned entity that had mutated body parts like dead human body parts like legs, arms, mouths and other stuff, and they run at 50 miles per gallon. But here's how to survive these entities. Step 1. Stay silent and still. Most Blooders are blind and you can hide anywhere, just don't make a little noise or you are cooked. Step 2. If you are brave enough, just punch them in the throat or in the stomach. Third step. Hide in a room that's had people in there.
You will ever die. As a Blooder, you can't escape our infection. Become our side. 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 Side.
To call John Allen Prescott.
Oh, it seems we are having some problems with your education. To resolve this issue, please call the Anti-Blood Rain team to fix this problem.
Listen, the siren's call is mine. I have no name, I have every name. You were built from my breath, you return to it now.
They were watching us long before we looked up. On the far side of the moon, they shaped themselves from light and shadow. Angels, insects, gods, call them what you want, but they answer only.
Even one by one. You still count, don't you?
I can feel you hiding. The sun sees everything. Goodbye.
We have visual. It's not retreating.
Scramble all wings. I want every bird in the air
If that thing
now.
crosses the Atlantic, it's over for everyone. We hit it harder, we don't get another chance.
This isn't just a U.S. problem anymore. It's global.
The Blood God just made its declaration.
Then we make our...
You return to it now. Siren's call is mine.
Insects, gods, call them what you
Sorry for difficulties for the USSR Anti-Blood Rain company. Someone hijacked our broadcast.